what is a flex connector?
Sure. Well, if you look under the sink, you can see this connector here. You've got your traditional P-trap, and you've got a flex connector that runs from the actual drain P-trap to the actual sink drain. Problem with that is a couple different things. One, they're not rigid. So according to the plumbing code, they're not self-scouring. So it doesn't clean itself out, which means it'll gunk up more. Those ridges will also break more easily, crack over time, and lead to leaks. But it's also a sure sign that a plumber did not do that.
Okay.
A plumber can make any of these connections work to this size by varying the height, the angle, the rotation. A plumber would be able to get that with solid pipe. So anytime you see that, it's pretty much somebody went to Lowe's, Home Depot, grabbed a flex connector, made it easy on themselves.
DIY.
But that's not what a plumber would do.
And would
Good to
you
know.
want to change it, do you think?
I would always
You would
recommend
always, because of
changing
the,
it, yeah.
okay.
Yeah, you think about how much hair and gunk
Yeah.
goes on there, and every one of those ridges is going to collect it, and so now I've just got a sludge pile of stuff
Oh.
in my drain. Like it just doesn't make sense.
And I get the sludge pile in my wife's sink. I get a sludge pile in my wife's sink without that,
Right,
like with a solid tubing.
right.
Mine
With a
too.
P-trap.
Yeah, and I have to clean
So
it.
They
imagine
have a
So
lot of
that's
hair.
And then you're going to run that little plastic thing down there to clean it out. It's
Right.
gonna, like it's silly.
Yeah.
Anyway.
These guys are cleaning the problem, not creating the problem.
Yeah, I'm clearly not ready.
Not creating the problem.